Have you ever wondered how much steel is left for us to use? How much do we produce and consume every year? And how does recycling fit into the equation? Today, we'll dive deep into the world of steel, its production, and its sustainability, uncovering some fascinating facts and insights along the way. So buckle up and get ready to explore the steel industry like never before. Hey, welcome to the channel. In the modern world, steel has become an essential material for various industries, from construction and automotive to shipbuilding and agriculture. The Industrial Revolution marked the dawn of a new era in steel production, leading to the Second Iron Age, and steel has remained a cornerstone of human progress ever since. However, our reliance on steel comes with its own set of challenges, particularly concerning sustainability and the environment. In this video, we'll delve into the process of steel production, the amount of steel left for us to use, annual steel requirements, recycling rates, waste, and some interesting facts about steel. We'll also explore the possibilities for a more sustainable steel industry, paving the way for a cleaner, greener future. But before we begin, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel as well so that you can continue watching such insightful videos regularly. Done? Alright, let's begin. The history of steel production spans centuries, with the earliest known examples of steel dating back to ancient India, where crucible steel was produced. This labor-intensive process involved the melting of iron and carbon-rich materials in a clay crucible, resulting in a high-quality steel with a uniform carbon content. As the demand for steel increased, new production methods were developed to improve efficiency and reduce the environmental impact. The Bessemer process, invented by Sir Henry Bessemer in the 1850s, revolutionized steel production by enabling the mass production of steel from pig iron. This process involved blowing air through molten pig iron to remove impurities and excess carbon, resulting in a more malleable and ductile steel. The Siemens-Martin process, also known as the open hearth process, was another significant development in steel production. This method involved melting pig iron and scrap steel in a furnace with a regenerative heat exchanger, allowing for better control over the final product's composition and properties. Modern steel production techniques such as basic oxygen steelmaking, or BOS, and electric arc furnaces, or EAF, have further improved efficiency and reduced environmental impact. BOS involves blowing oxygen through molten pig iron, which reduces impurities and lowers carbon content, while EAF involves melting scrap steel using an electric arc. These advancements have led to a more sustainable and efficient steel industry, capable of meeting the ever-growing global demand for steel. The steel industry has seen significant changes over the past few decades, with the rise of Indian and Chinese steel firms playing a major role in reshaping the industry landscape. These countries have rapidly expanded their steel production capabilities, capitalizing on their abundant natural resources and low labor costs. This growth has also been fueled by the increasing demand for steel in developing countries, where infrastructure and construction projects are booming. The steel industry has faced challenges such as the economic downturn in 2008, which led to a decline in demand and excess production capacity. However, it has since rebounded, with developing nations driving the demand for steel in various sectors. As the global steel industry continues to evolve, it must adapt to new market dynamics and address challenges such as overcapacity, environmental concerns, and increasing competitions from alternative materials. Global steel consumption has been steadily rising, driven by urbanization and industrialization. The annual steel requirements vary across industries and countries, with construction, automotive, and infrastructure projects accounting for a significant portion of steel consumption. The distribution of steel consumption is influenced by factors such as economic growth, population density, and the level of industrial development in each country. According to estimates, more than 503.5 million metric tons of steel is used all over the world every year. Developing countries, particularly Asia, have seen a surge in steel demand as they undergo rapid urbanization and infrastructure developments. This trend is expected to continue as these nations progress economically and their populations grow, placing even greater pressure on the global steel industry to meet this rising demand. As the demand for steel continues to rise in various industries, the question of how much steel can be produced is becoming increasingly relevant. Steel production depends heavily on the availability of iron ore. the essential raw material for its manufacture. Currently, the world's iron ore reserves are estimated to be about 2.5 billion metric tons, with deposits scattered across various regions. These reserves, however, are finite, and as they are consumed, the potential for steel production will eventually reach its upper limit. Geographically, Australia boasts the largest reserves of iron ore, which positions it as a critical player in the global steel market. Following Australia, other major iron ore reserve holders include Brazil, China, India, and Russia. These countries play a significant role in supplying the world's steel industry with the necessary resources to meet demand. As the global steel market continues to expand, it is essential to monitor the depletion of these iron ore reserves and the potential impact on steel production capabilities. Alternative resources or innovative production methods may become increasingly important in order to maintain a steady supply of steel for various industries around the world. Steel is one of the world's most recycled materials, with recycling rates exceeding 60% in some countries. Recycling steel offers several benefits, including conserving natural resources, reducing energy consumption, and minimizing greenhouse gas emissions. As the demand for steel continues to grow, the importance of recycling in the steel industry will become even more critical. Efforts to improve steel recycling rates are ongoing, with initiatives such as increased collection and sorting infrastructure, as well as the development of new technologies to facilitate the recycling process. By embracing a circular economy approach, the steel industry can reduce its environmental impact and ensure a more sustainable future. While recycling is a crucial component of steel sustainability, there is still a significant amount of waste generated in the production process. This waste can come in various forms, such as slag, dust, and mill scale, and can pose environmental challenges if not managed properly. Minimizing waste in steel production is an essential aspect of improving the industry's overall sustainability and reducing its environmental footprints. Potential solutions to reduce steel waste include refining production processes, implementing waste reduction initiatives, and finding new applications for waste materials. For instance, slag, a byproduct of steelmaking, can be used as an aggregate in the construction industry, while mill scale can be processed and utilized in the production of iron ore pellets or sinter. By focusing on waste minimization and the development of innovative waste management strategies, the steel industry can make significant strides toward a more sustainable future. The steel industry is constantly evolving, with new materials and technologies shaping its future. Advanced high-strength steel is one such innovation, offering higher strength and lighter weight, making it ideal for use in the automotive and aerospace industries. As the world continues to evolve and face new challenges, the steel industry must adapt and embrace innovation and sustainability to ensure its continued success. By focusing on the development of advanced materials, improving production processes, and implementing environmentally friendly practices, steel will continue to play a vital role in our lives for years to come. And that brings us to the end of our in-depth exploration of the steel industry, its future, and the role of recycling and sustainability in meeting the increasing demand for steel. It's clear that the industry must continue to adapt and innovate to ensure a cleaner, greener future for generations to come. We hope you found this video informative and insightful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts on the future of steel and its sustainability in the comment section below. We'd love to hear your opinions. So if you haven't already, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos covering a wide range of topics. Your support helps us continue to create videos that inform, educate, and inspire. Thanks for watching the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.